Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 20th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Scorpio, this is your channel ringtone or song. It wasn't a ringtone. I think it was a song. Nevertheless, this is your song. When you walk away, you don't hear me say, please, oh baby, don't go. Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel. Tonight it's hard to let it go. You're giving me too many things lately. You're all I need. No, you smile at me and say, well, don't get wrong, I love you, but does that mean I have to meet your father? When we get older, we'll understand what is meant when I say no. I don't think life's that simple. When you walk away, you won't hear me say, please, oh baby. Can't get the note. Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel. Tonight it's hard to let it go. I was fighting for my fucking vocals. Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel. Oh yeah, Mr. Postman. Anyways, you may be a very advocate or a hardcore anime watcher. I'm getting simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel. Tonight it's hard to let it go. Scorpio, hold me. Whatever lies beyond this morning, it's a little later on. Regardless of warning, the future doesn't scare me at all. Nothing's like before. I'm sorry, I had to. Well, let's say eardrums that way. I did not mean to. I was just trying to prove an animation point, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Scorpio. So I'm getting simple and clean. That is how you're going to enter something. That's how you'll exit a situation. It has to be simple and it has to be clean. If it's confusing and dirty, it's not going to work. You have to make the subject feel simple and clean. It can't be confusion. It can't be, you don't know, me don't know, she don't know. It can't be that. It has to be clean and simple, organized and simple. Okay? That's the formula. Scorpio. The devil card, yeah. Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel tonight. I'm getting something is confused. Have you forgotten the confusion we have had on that day, September 10th, right? Okay. So I'm getting simple and clean. Something is confusing and dirty. That's why it's not working. I'm getting you wonder why somebody not open up, why somebody not approaching you, why is it not working? I'm getting you doing every single thing you can do to bind somebody to you, to make somebody come back, always coming back to you. Whether them ask for help, whether them just want to talk, or them just want to, you know, hear you say hi. I'm getting something is confusing and it's dirty. That's why it won't work. It has to be simple and clean. Okay? The devil likes confusion. Only angels. What? You keep your corners as clean as a whistle, right? Only angels live in cleanliness. The devil lives in dirt. So that's why something is hard. You in too much filth, trying to use magic. I'm getting the subject that you have is a clean subject. The subject you're trying to use magic on, maybe I try to use the magic so the subject don't take a shower. I'm getting the subject take a shower every day so the dirty magic can't work. They deal with clean magic. You will deal with dirty magic. So your main card is the devil card, which is Capricorn. What is your love? Your love is a 3 of Wands. I'm getting a long distance relationship you're in. If it's not the long distance, I'm getting your schedule is crazy. You almost never have time to see this person. You might see this person 1 time a month. Maybe 3 times a week. Maybe, but that's pretty little time. I don't know. What's your career and money? The 8 of Cups. I'm getting, I don't know if it is that you're not showing up for a job. Or you not care. I'm not seeing Pentacles here, so I don't know what's happening when it comes down to your career and money. I'm getting you intoxicated. You're not showing up to work, or you're intoxicated on the job. Your health is a 6 of Swords. So I'm getting you just did blood tests. Right now you're in and out of blood test center, trying to get these test results to come back. So I'm getting right now you're actually doing blood tests. There's something you're trying to figure out what's wrong with you. And your home life is a Star card. Alright, I'm kind of getting CGI. So 2 things. I'm getting somebody going to ask you, you know, like, you know how them make game characters? When you put on the little things upon you and you're in a green and you like this. The game characters, like the motion. They use real humans for the motion type of graphics, right? I'm getting that. This could be, I'm getting something about you doing porn in a VR. I'm getting you doing porn. Or you show your breasts, you show your ass, but you're a character. You understand what I mean? I'm getting you now take off your clothes and show your body. I'm getting your inner AI form. Like you show your breast or you have sex or you dance and you shake your ass. But I'm getting is not you, you're in a one character. Like an anime. You know, hentai is actually really big. A lot of men enjoy hentai. So you can't blood clot tell me, say all of my man them gonna fucking cheat on me. When you have man out there who loyal to blood clot hentai characters. Don't you fucking tell me, corrupt in my fucking brain, telling me that I have to share my man. I have to share my man. No anime character has ever shared a man. The fuck? I'm getting something like a simulation, a sex simulation, but I don't know, it's like you're in a VR or something like that. No. Going back to the first thing I was getting with the devil card here, we're getting something has to be simple and clean. Or maybe something has to be clean. We're getting you on a lot of drugs. You have to clean. That's why you can't get to the star, you can't get to the Empress. Maybe that's why they're blocking you from reaching the Empress. I don't know what kind of drugs you do, but I'm scared that you give the Empress it to do too. Worse, the Empress is, I'm sorry, the Star card. The Star card is on her way to be a star. Them don't want you around her and you have to our system with drugs. Because you're a drug person. But I'm also getting you're willing to give up this bad behavior, leave your comfort of your own home, go to a facility to deal with this drinking problem, just so that you can be there for this person. Because I'm getting a lot of the memorable moments this person had, maybe whether they were winning awards, they were nominated for stuff, or they just wanted you by them side. You couldn't be there because you were always drunk. And when you're not drunk, you're confrontational. But me getting you want to make a change, you want change. Me getting you want to watch somebody achieve them dreams, and you can't do that because you're always drunk. And the only thing that always stir up when you're drunk is jealousy, envy, and hatred. So I'm getting something has to be simple and clean. I mean, even if you're the devil, something still can be clean. It can be organized. It can be chaos, organized chaos. Illuminati, yeah, it has to be simple and clean. Even if you're the devil, you still have a blood clot, take a bath with Dove soap, devil. Take a blood clot bath with the Dove soap, put on a little spray, and I bet you'll get this fucking girl to cuddle you. You want to know how it feels like to cuddle the devil? Well, maybe you need to sanitize yourself properly so that she can fall in love with you. Or at least she can close her eyes and smell something to hold on to. Illuminati. Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel tonight. It's hard to let go, isn't it? I know it's hard to let go of that liquor, but believe me, it will be worth it when you have her in your arms. Aliens. You're giving me too many things. lately. Illuminati and aliens. So I'm getting you believe in somebody now. You just need to beat the devil. The devil is the alcohol, okay? PhD. You can get help. You will get help. Maybe you need to see a psychiatrist, awards, or you need to talk to the person who triggered it. Because me getting somebody trigger you to turn to the bottle. And ever since they left, the bottle is at your head. So maybe you need to reunite with somebody, even as friends, to alleviate some of the pressure of drinking alcohol. We have phone number, okay? And we got one way. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.